So look at this. My Didima is laughing to me because I am speaking English and he is telling me crazy boy. Do you know why? Because I'm speaking English. So those who are village people, they will tell me crazy boy because I'm speaking English. So yesterday I cut many grasses. I no need to bring our goat in the field. So yesterday কালকে আমি ঘাস কেটেছি আজকে দরকার নেই ছাগল আনার দিন বলতেছে ছাগল আনতে so this is laughing a lot. This is our village area. There are lots of paddy plant in our area. We do the work at the field and we grow our paddy plant day by day. And every farmer, those who are farmer, they struggle a lot to grow their paddy plants. Even my father and I am struggling a lot to grow our paddy plants. So today I went to the shop. I'm in Uttaral. There I bought some medicine for our paddy plants because there are lots of insects attacking in our paddy plant. I have to remove those insect. Otherwise, that insect will destroy our paddy plant. So you can see these are really huge amount of poison. So এগুলো আমি দুইবার ইউজ করতে পারবো, এখন একবার আর নেক্সট টাইম আরেকবার।